Are you curious about Cachy OS and Fedora? Let's dive into the differences between these two Linux distributions. In this video, we'll compare Cachy OS and Fedora. Both are popular choices but serve different needs. Cachy OS is designed to be user friendly. It focuses on speed and simplicity. Many users love its clean interface and ease of use. It aims to provide a smooth experience for everyday tasks. On the other hand, Fedora is known for its cutting edge features. It's often used by developers and tech enthusiasts. Fedora offers the latest software and innovations. It's great for those who want to experiment with new technologies. Both distributions have their strengths. Cassius is perfect for beginners or casual users. It's easy to install and navigate. Fedora, however, is ideal for advanced users who like to customize their systems. It provides more options for developers and power users. Now, let's talk about some key differences. Cachy OS focuses on stability and performance. It's built on a solid foundation, making it reliable for daily use. Fedora, in contrast, prioritizes the latest updates and features. This means it can be less stable at times, but more exciting for those who want the newest tools. When it comes to features, Cachy OS offers a smooth desktop experience with essential applications pre-installed. Fedora provides a more extensive range of software, including tools for developers, making it versatile for different tasks. Pricing is straightforward, both are free to download and use. However, Fedora might require more technical knowledge to make the most of its features. In conclusion, if you are new to Linux or want something simple, Cachy OS is a great choice. If you are experienced and want the latest innovations, go for Fedora. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.